In today's video, we're going to show you how to use the BikeSHAiR app. When you open up the app, you'll see a view of the map of your location. If you tap the bars on the top left corner of your screen, you'll open up your menu. Here you will find your ride history, plans, profile, payments, and the option to reach out to one of our concierge team members for help. Under plans, you will have 3 options. Day tripper option at 4 hours for $40, powerful pedalist 24 hours for $60, casual ride, which will be $15 per hour. Once you're ready to book, scan the QR code on your screen. You will then scan the QR code on the back of the bike, and then you're ready to go. Operating the bike is a breeze. Turn it on by pressing the red button on the back of the bike and then holding the middle power button on the left handlebar. This will turn on your display, which will then tell you your speed, distance, and time traveled, as well as the temperature. If you run out of juice, you're able to plug it into any outlet and give your bike a charge. On the right handlebar, you'll have your brake, but you will also have your throttle. If you press down on it, your motor will be activated and you will be riding without having to pedal. This is the convenience and joy of riding an e-bike. You have adjustable seats, a basket to put your things in, and a phone holder if you're looking to go hands-free while riding. If you have any questions or need help booking your ride, reach out to our live concierge team via our app or website. Happy riding and see you soon.